What's up, and welcome to the Wig Life with Susie Monroe. And today I'm going to show you how I did my hair in less than 5 minutes. So stick around and I'll show you how I did this super easy, super quick, and super cute hairstyle. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I get wigs. Okay, let's get started. The only thing we're going to use today to do this install is my wig, a comb, and edge control. That's it. You don't need anything else, just those 3 items. So I take my wig, and I'll show you guys the inside of the wig cap. It's made on a durable wig cap. It comes with an elastic band and 3 combs. So this elastic band is going to literally snatch this wig to your head. So I open my wig this way, put the elastic band at the back of my head, pull my wig over, pull it down, boom. Get your part even at the top. I'm not going to install my wig combs because I'm at a point now where I don't need them. My wig fits really good on my head. And to be honest, I can go just like this, but I want to give my wig a more realistic look. So that's why we're going to use the comb, edge control. I'm going to show you why I left my little hairs out. So I'll take the comb out my little hairs on the side. Comb my little top down, make sure it's centered. You can pull out little baby hairs there if you want to. I have a willow peak, so that's usually what I do. And I'm going to take my edge control and I'm just going to use a little bit of the edge control, and I'm going to use it to push these little baby hairs on the side back, comb them in. I don't like to use a lot of edge control. A little bit is just fine for me. And you do both sides. And like I said, this part is optional, but this is my everyday install, so. And you're not really gonna see your sides, but I do like to pull my hair back sometimes. And then if you want, you can see your little top area here. I don't like to make baby hairs all the time. And voila, pull out my little curls. And I love this wig. This is my new wig. It's a loose wave wig, 28 inches. Actually, I think it's 26 inches with a 5x5 closure. And that is it. Man, look on that Susie.